Alright guys, I've got a nice Cub Cadet RZT L heavy duty homeowner type of edition, and I say that because it is their bigger, more heavy duty, robust frame and deck. So wider front stance and back stance, bigger front casters, 54-inch fabricated and reinforced all the way around with extra steel on the deck, and then like I said, wider stance back here, and usually they come with the bigger motor on them, the 24 horsepower. So this is not a commercial grade, but it is faster than your average Cub Cadet homeowner, and it's more robust. Definitely tougher deck by far. This I think only has 600 hours on it. Fires right up and runs great. Let's see here. It is getting a little dark, so sorry guys, sun's just now setting. 672 on the hours. Choke is forward on this one. No smoke. Engine is running nice and smooth. I'll idle it down for you. Rev it back up. No e-brake on this thing. These are the e-brake. Deck height adjustment is this lever right here. You just pull it in, drop the deck down. I don't want to be too low and scalp this. Get one more up just in case. Blades here. Deck operates nice and smooth, not shaking or vibrating or bearings making a bunch of noise.